Tile Slim, the world's thinnest Bluetooth tracker. Tile Slim is as thin as 2 credit cards, which makes it perfect for wallets, pockets, and passports. Attach it to anything. Choose a ringtone with the Tile app. And then rest easy, knowing you can always find your things. Just ring your laptop and find it fast. If it's your phone that you're looking for, press the button on any of your tiles and your phone will ring, even when on silent. And if you lose your wallet and it isn't where you last had it, Tile can still help you find it. Just ask to be notified when your wallet is found. And when any user in Tile's global network comes within range of your missing wallet, the Tile app will notify you of its most recent location. Tile Slim, the world's thinnest Bluetooth tracker. Get Tile Slim today and never worry about losing your wallet again.
Introducing the LED Heli Ball from TX Juice. Use your hands, feet, or any other part of your body to keep it in the air. Patented motion sensing technology detects what's below and hovers above it. Or use the manual trigger control and see how close you can get to the ceiling or floor without crashing. Unique juice button activates the super bright LEDs, creating magical light shows and illuminating huge spaces. Up to 3 players with no interference for the ultimate competition. How long can you stay flying? Auto flight and awesome light shows, only with the LED Heli.
Introducing the Enovia Automatic Paper Towel Dispenser. It gives you the exact amount you choose for every job, every time, hands-free. This new appliance makes life easier on everyone while helping to keep your kitchen or workplace germ-free. Just hold your hand in front of the sensor and out comes a paper towel, or more if needed for bigger jobs. And unlike any other dispenser, it retracts unused sheets. The Enovia Automatic Paper Towel Dispenser. Intelligent.